Howdy y'all, Jackson here with IckJerk Studios, and sorry about the lack of uploads recently. I was sick, and then I was busy doing stuff with family. Anyways, I just want to get this news out to you guys if you had not seen it yet, is that it's being reported that the Alliance of American Football is suspending operations. This article says they are not technically folding yet, but this is pretty much the death blow. Mike Florio and Daniel Kaplan are the ones reporting this. Sorry about that. So yeah, there is a saying it's not entirely folding yet, but it is ceasing operations. So obviously, this is coming after the head financer said that they needed pretty much practice squad players and low-level players from the NFLPA to be able to be allocated to teams for them to pretty much stay alive, which was obviously just a last swing to try to keep the league alive because there is no upside to saying that in bargaining or anything. So, anyways, obviously, if the NFLPA was going to do that, the NFL, or if the NFLPA was interested in doing that, the NFL probably would have never gotten rid of NFL Europe. Anyways, the interesting thing, we'll see what happens with the XFL now and the Freedom Football League. I'm not really confident in the Freedom Football League even starting, but the XFL will probably still start because Vince McMahon seems pretty committed to that. Um, Anyways, so they should be able to get some coaches and stuff now. Like they'll probably definitely hire Steve Spurrier now, because he's been doing a heck of a job. So, anyways, you know, just wanted to get this news out to you guys. If you're a fan, sorry, you can go watch the Indoor Football League now. That's what I've been watching mostly, anyways. And then you have the Arena Football League starting soon. So if you want to watch, you're still gonna have football right now, and then you still have college basketball for another week. Anyways, so again, thank you for watching. Just getting the news out to you. If you hadn't seen the news yet, thank you for watching again. Bye.